Hi everyone, welcome to BeamClue Revit tutorial. In this series of video tutorial, we're going to focus on Revit structure. You will be able to create this in Revit after completed our tutorials. We will go through every function of Revit structure in this course. We're going to have 19 sessions of tutorial, 7 hours in total, guiding you from beginner to advanced level. We have years of experience in Revit. We are confident to guide you correctly and fast. The tutorial is based on actual project example. Therefore, you will have solid experience of Revit modeling on the actual project after completing the tutorial. You will be exposed to every modeling tools related to structure and work towards building information modeling. There is no limitation in experience required for you to start with this tutorial. This is an example of our video tutorial. We have clear English subtitle, mouse click and keyboard display allow you to have a better understanding of the process throughout the tutorial. You will learn about modeling of structure elements, placing of reinforcement, steel structure, and precast elements. By completing this tutorial, you will know how to extract the useful information and quantity of the item used in the project for your maintenance and cost estimation purpose. You will also learn how to produce layout and detailed drawings based on the models that you have created throughout the tutorials. Nowadays, BIM is a very important process and technology in the construction industry. Do not miss the chance to upgrade your skill for a better chance of career advancement. I gotta tell you that this step-by-step Revit tutorial is worth for you to go through either you are a beginner or a professional that always seeking chance to improve yourself. Look, if you want to learn this, let's wait no more. BeamClue is also providing tutorials on structure, architecture, and MEP modeling. If you follow us along the way, you will surely become an expert on Revit modeling.